And I'm gonna show spin cat speed. And I get four. I like this. I like this is the watch shine. I guess I'm gonna show you.
What's it say on it?
I said,
Big smile. Show them what it says. Hold it up so they can see it. Be like, big smile. No, it says that on your bat, right there. Big smile. Show them what it says.
E, what this B? What I see B? P-I-A 7, 8, 9, 10. Memory freeze. Okay, your turn.
Alright, so this is Lucille from The Walking Dead. It does have the circle. They did fake this though. They used some sort of like print screen. Bob wire's legitimate. They also faked the bob wire because it's supposed to be one continuous piece that runs around. But as you can see right there, they have one piece right here that wraps over and then it wraps around. The only other thing it's missing is where she shot at him. But I mean, that really kind of depends on what point of the storyline you're at. If you're talking about Lucille from the beginning, then yes, this is correct. It's got a little bit too glossy of a stain, but I suspect after, using it a little bit, that glossiness is going to go away. Bob wire is definitely legit, very sharp. The staples are so-so. I kind of wish I would have went with a heavier gauge staple, but I get, they're going into a hardwood, and that can be very difficult. And to be honest, if you wanted to build one of these, unless,
I can't wait to go out and a night ninja and Marble and Moss and...
Tell them about the boxes outside.
Mom.
No, but what we did with the boxes. Tell them what we did with the boxes.
All done.
We smashed them?
Yeah, all done.
All of them?
Yeah.
You gotta tell them, not me though. No, tell them what we did. They're not gonna want to watch you if you just make funny noises. Tell them what we did with the boxes.
I7 on QX WX1 and
You're a goof.
And I smell, I kill, and Spencer's kill,
Show them how you hold the bat. And then you smash things. Just like that.
Don't smash me.
I won't smash you. Don't pound on the table because it's really loud through the microphone. They won't be able to hear you.
Spicy kill. I'm bigger.
You're bigger? So is the bat too heavy or is it the right weight?
It's not me. It's not heavy.
Does it feel good? Comfortable in your hands? Tell them that stuff.
I'm a spicy shiny. You do good so and I say A-I-I-O A-I-I-O
Hold on, let me talk now.
Okay.
But yeah, other than like the faking bob wire right there, this is correct. Like I said, it does have the circle like it's supposed to.
I know.
Hold on for a second, let me talk. Would I do this again? I mean, it's kind of expensive for what you're getting. But when I was searching for a bat and how much it would cost for barbed wire, yes, it was cheaper to go this route. But then after I had bought it, I was like, well, hey, I wonder how much a used wood bat would cost on eBay. I could have got one for like $15. And I know where a section of fence is where I could have just chopped out a little section of barbed wire, wrapped it around and done it. So I could have been into this for like $30, $35. But still, it's not that bad. Especially if you don't have the shop tools or the shop experience to be able to build your own, you can just buy one. Now, an unexpected thing I wasn't really, like, well, it was unexpected. The barbed wire added quite a bit of weight. It's got to be somewhere around a pound. From what I understand, it's 20 feet of barbed wire. So the balance point, see if I can do it without poking myself. Is right about there. And if I remember correctly, I mean, it's been a long time since I've smashed things with baseball bats, but I could have sworn the balance point was like right there. So it is a little bit front heavy, but it gives you some nice kinetic energy on your swing. Very cool. And let's be honest, who doesn't want to own Lucille? It's iconic, and this is back when The Walking Dead was actually good. I'd love to see that show get good again, but I just don't see that happening. But because it's front heavy, you do get a lot of kinetic energy on your swing. I thought I was going to have to take off this piece of barbed wire. Xana, wait till I'm done with my video. Drill through here, and then add a little bit of... What? You want to talk again? Add a little bit of lead to make it more front heavy, so I can get more kinetic energy, but after the weight of the barbed wire, I just don't think so. Hold on, she's got some more stuff to say about her bat.
Hi, sorry. I'm sorry.
They want to hear about the bat. Tell them about the bat.
As my bat squirrel, it's not strong.
Tell them, not me. Here, I'll stand right here so you won't get messed up. All right, tell them again.
I do.
They want to hear about your bat. Stand up on the bucket. They can't see you right now. Right there. All right, now they can see you. Tell them about the bat.
Bye. So. Oh. They almost fall.
You almost fell?
Yeah. I saw my bat. I see and try big bottle.
Did you hit a baseball with it?
Yeah, let's try it.
You hit one?
Yeah. Your turn now.
All right, my turn to talk.
Get out.
America.
Huh.
Here, take your bat for 1 second.
Honestly.
America. But anyway, if you are thinking about purchasing one of these off eBay, I totally recommend it. I thought it was going to be garbage, but it's not bad. Pretty good. It's on par with how I would have built it. If you'd like to check out any of my other videos, click on the links up here. If you'd like to help support the channel, I got my Patreon. I also have affiliate links in the description down below. If I can find one of these on Amazon, I'll post a link to it. And just by clicking on that link, even if you don't buy what the link is for, I get a little kickback for it because you went there off my channel. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe.
Brush your teeth. Brush your teeth. Brush your teeth. Brush your teeth. Brush your teeth.